Hi guys, my name is Varun and I'm back again on your channel, and in today's video I will continue the Adobe Premiere Pro series. So in today's video I will tell you how you can remove the background noise of your video and how you can correct the audios by using Denoise. So to know the whole process, watch this video till the end. First of all, open Adobe Premiere Pro software. Now firstly we need to import a video clip. Once we imported the video clip, drag it to timeline. Now when I will play this video, you can see the noise is very disturbing in the video. To denoise it, first of all we need to go on effects, type denoise, select the option and drag it to the audio side. Once you have done this process, now go to effects control. You can see the option of denoise. Click here, edit. Now you can see the denoise window has been popped up. You can see the scale from 0 to 100. Now the default scale is at 40. If I will increase the number of denoise, so it will reduce the noise as much as you will increase the denoise volume.
पाकिस्तान के साथ भी अब ये बहुत बड़ा दुख है ये इंडियन फैंस के लिए कि भाई उन्हें शुभमन गिल को.
So in this way you can use the option of denoise to correct your audio and to remove the all background noises of your video. So in this way you can make your video professional as well. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.